Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about light boxes. Over the years, light boxes have changed so much. They used to be just a wooden box with a bulb in it, and you would just plug the bulb into an outlet, and then you had a light box, and you would just be drawing on the top of it where the glass is, and you'd be able to trace your sketches onto your good paper and then just go from there. I even have a drawing table with a wooden top and a piece cut out of it, replaced with glass, so that you could actually attach a lamp to the leg and you'd see the light shine through the top of the table and you could trace that way, which I thought was pretty clever. So over the years, the light boxes have gone thinner and thinner. They've turned into light pads thanks to LED lights, but they remain quite pricey. In the last few years, they became cheaper and cheaper, and they got more features that are pretty cool. So I'm going to talk to you about this tablet here that was sent to me by the company Toheto, and they want me to review it, and I will give you my honest opinion. So as you can see, it's an A3, which is roughly about 16 by 13 inches, more or less. That's the box. So it's a pretty good size. The light has 3 color temperatures, 6 levels, adjustable bracket. I think it comes with a stand, and 6 levels of brightness, which is pretty neat. The light is uniform because there are LED lights throughout underneath, compared to an old light box that had just a bulb, so it couldn't shine bright throughout the tablet or the box. It has a scale, so I'm guessing the frame has rulers. It's slim and portable, and soft light protection because of the color temperature, and charging available. So let's see. It's pretty thin. Let's see what it looks like. Seems pretty well packed. There's a cable to charge it. It comes with some models or some samples to trace. I guess if you have kids who want to try the tablet, or even for you, let's see what they look like. So basically big printouts of drawings that you can trace. And actually some blank paper, drawing paper. That's pretty neat. I think this tablet costs about $50 on Amazon, so it's not bad for the size. And there's even a pencil, graphite pencil. So you get everything you need to get started. Looks like there's a clip here. It's a magnetic clip to attach your paper so that it won't move, which is great when you trace. You don't want your paper to move around. There's the instructions, and then it's protected by a film, so we're going to remove that. Let's turn this on. Here, let me turn off my light. Here we go. That's the 3 color temperatures right there. And then let's see the brightness. Pretty neat. I like this temperature when I draw, so let's see the different brightness. That's not bad at all. So let's put the puppy dog. Attach it. And then we're gonna put another piece of paper on top of it. And then you can see that you can just trace it because you can see all the outlines. Let me see if I can use a thicker paper on this. This paper is 110 pounds, so it's a lot thicker. It works very well still. So originally the idea behind the light box is that let's say you're doing a watercolor and you do not want to sketch on your watercolor paper, because if you mess up and you need to erase a lot, you might damage the surface of your paper. Then the watercolor might not look the same on the paper. It's going to be damaged basically. So you do a sketch on a separate piece of paper and then you have to transfer it on your watercolor paper. You can use all sorts of things like transfer paper or tracing paper, but a light box saves a lot of time because all you have to do is just put your watercolor paper on top of it and just trace it. And you can see this is 140 pounds and you can see pretty well underneath. Now usually you'd have just the outline of your drawing, just a sketch underneath. So you would see it better than this. The problem with this drawing is that it's colored, so you can't see all the lines and the lines are really thin. But you would see the details more with a regular sketch. But considering that's 140 pound paper, it's really thick, you can still see very well through it. So it's nice and bright. It's really neat. And I really liked, have I told you already, I really like that clip because it really doesn't move. The paper is really there and it's not going anywhere. Alright, so if you flip this over, there is a stand on the back. So let's try to take this out. And you have different grooves so that you have different inclinations. So here, let's try the first one. So underneath the stand here you have some rubber feet. I'm not sure if I would go this steep. This would be a lot more comfortable for me. And the fact that you have the clip here, your paper's not going anywhere. Now I wanted to try it for something because I was told that light boxes were great for diamond painting. I'm not sure how, but I want to try it. So while I install my diamond painting, I wanted to point out as well that this is not plugged in. So right out of the box, it was already powered. It's a rechargeable battery. So you can just have it on your lap, on your couch, if you like to work on your couch. You don't need to be plugged in. You just recharge it once in a while. It's a USB cable right here. So that's really cool. Very portable. It's very light, very portable. I think that's, to me, that's the best part of it. And that clip. Alright, so let's clip this here. You could, if you like to work flat, you can always orient your table the other way and just work like this if you want to. But my diamond painting is small enough that it should work like this. So here we go. So I would, if I was not filming, I would definitely use it inclined like that because it really prevents me from hurting my neck, just really looking down all the time and bending over my my table. But for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna show you how it works flat like this so that you can actually see better. And you can actually put this on the tablet next to you. And so what I noticed, and I don't know if you can really see it, but basically all those little numbers, they're really, really small. And with the light shining through the paper, you can actually see the numbers better. I'm not sure if it makes sense, but this is what I think the idea behind using a light tablet with your diamond painting is for. I can definitely see those numbers really nicely now with the light underneath, especially if I put my hand over this way and then it makes some shadow, and I can still see the numbers very well. And if you don't have a craft room or a studio or a room that's not very well lit, this definitely helps a lot. So all in all, I think it's an excellent product. It's a really good price for the size. I'll put a link in the video description if you're interested in checking it out. And yeah, I do recommend it. It's really nice. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're feeling generous and you would like to support this channel, you can always click on the super thanks button that's right next to the share button. Thank you all for stopping by. I'll see you soon with another video. Have a great day. Bye bye.